Korean gochujang maple wings on the smoker. Toss the wings in a bowl. We're going to do a light seasoning, olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and some chili powder. Get those all tossed up and massaged in. Like always, place them on a cold smoker. Set it to 400 degrees. Once it hit an internal of 165, pull them off. Get our sauce started. Go in with gochujang, soy sauce, rice vinegar, maple syrup, some minced garlic. Whisk it up. Toss the wings. Lay them back down in the smoker for about 5 minutes until they tack up. You really get that umami flavor from the gochujang and the soy sauce. Nice sweetness with the maple. These are some of my favorites that I've made so far.